Hi Blue Spellers, this week we are focusing on the long A vowel sound. So the spelling pattern for long A vowel sound can be AI or the spelling pattern can be AY. A does the talking, the I does the walking. So you hear A's name, A, but you don't hear I's name. So A does the talking, I does the walking. Two vowel pairs next to each other makes it a long A vowel sound. So AI, the spelling pattern AI, you usually see it in the middle of the word. The spelling pattern AY, you usually see it and hear it at the end of the word. Okay, so if I say to write the word pay, well, I know that AY spelling pattern goes at the end of the word. So pay, I know I'm going to spell it with an AY because I hear it at the end of the word. I pay the correct amount of money to buy my toy. Gray, I hear the A sound at the end of the word. So I know that I'm going to spell it G-R-A, A-Y, long A vowel sound. Away, Miss Barrett does not like that you are all away from me. Away. I hear the long A vowel sound at the end of the word, so I know I'm going to spell it A-Y. Clay. I use clay in art to make pots, do pottery. Hay. Now this kind of hay is like the horse eats the hay. But this kind of hay is a second grade sight word, H-E-Y. So E-Y can also make a long A vowel sound. Hay. This is hay is the type of hay that a horse eats. Hay. Another word that hits this, or that falls under this header is tray. If you carry a lunch, you might carry a lunch tray at lunchtime to carry your food on. Let's talk about the long A vowel sound that is spelled A-Y. Or A-I, I'm sorry. Train. I hear the long A vowel sound in the middle of the word. So I know that I'm going to spell it with an A and I. I see the train fly past me. Pail. I carry water in a pail. I hear that a long A vowel sound in the middle of the word, so I know I'm going to spell it A-I. Paint. I hear that long A vowel sound, A is saying its name, in the middle of the word. So I know that I'm going to spell it with an A and an I. Paint. Stain. If I spill coffee on my shirt, it will stain my shirt. Plain. Now this kind of plain is the background of my Google slide is a plain background. It's white. This type of plane is the airplane that you go fly with. As you can see, the silent E on the end makes this a long A vowel sound. It turns the vowel a long vowel sound. So A says its name. That's not one of your spelling words this week. So the plane you have is like you're writing on a plain sheet of paper. Wait. It's important to be patient and wait your turn. All right, Blue Spellers, these are your words for this week. Make sure you practice your words before your spelling check-in next Thursday. So you'll kindly ask someone in your family when they have time to give you a spelling check-in, and then you'll upload your spelling check-in to Seesaw on Thursday. And then I also want you to write each of your spelling words 3 times each in your writing notebook.